Welcome back to my channel Lore Kingdom. So, today I will give you challenge to guess 10 countries. Flags from easy to hard level. You have 3 seconds for each flag to guess. So let's start. Level 10.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Russia. Level 9.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Italy. Level 8.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Netherlands. Level 7.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Mexico. Level 6.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Belgium. Level 5.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Poland. Level 4.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Nigeria. Level 3.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of South Sudan. Level 2.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Peru. Level 1.
3, 2, 1.
This is the flag of Venezuela. Please tell me in comments that how many answers you do correct. And please ask me questions for Q&A. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for this type of more informative videos.